Patrick.
Hello, Patrick. This is Jackson from China Prima Company. I'm the sales manager of Prima Company for the export. Now I would like to recommend our press brake, 125 pounds and 3.2 meters press brake. The customer is from Africa. Now we can see the machine is under the spool. Now we are taking the video for the installation and training for our press brake, because some customers do not have knowledge about our machines. So we take this video especially for some customers. And during use, if you have any questions, please contact us. We already leave our contact information here. You can connect our connection. Then our technician will help you all the time. Prima is getting customer and more customer from not only for the high quality, but also for the good service and the after sales service. We would like more and more customer to buy machines from Prima Company. We will give the best service for you. We come to the back side of the machine. We can see that the machine is very nice finished. The motor is China Siemens brand. With the ball screw, guideline is optional. The hydraulics is from Taiwan. Risler, Germany is optional. Now we open the electric box. You can see the main power, main electricity are all Schneiders. This is the switch to control the band gauge positioning. This gives accuracy and high speed of the band gauge. This is very important. This is the E21 controller from Aston. Now we come to the pitch. Now it's in Chinese. Now it's 1. If we input 0, you can see now all Chinese. 1 English. You will see all is English. This is the language change place. From this you can see the machine screen. It's English. Press P. Now we change the language to Chinese. 0. Then all will be Chinese. How to change to English? 1. Then all will be English. It's very easy and convenient. Now we come to explain the key. This is the key. If you want to press the machine, then now cannot press. Even you put the must go to here. Must go to here firstly. Now it's okay. Then when you press the machine, then it can move. This is the point move. Point move. Let me explain. Point move. One press, one move, one move. This one is semi-automatic. Let's see the movement. When you press the down, it will return to the origin automatically. This one is fully automatic. Let's see the movement. Press down. The machine is working automatically now. This controller is China-based controller for the press brake and very economical too. Let me explain the parameters. XP means the band gauge movement. Now it means the band gauge movement distance is 200 now. We can put it to be XP now. We can put it to be 300. Right? 300. Now we press this. You can see it moves to the machine. It moves again to the movement. Let's see again. XP2.好的，输到200，再输一下200。Now we put it to be 200。够了吗？We set the automatic banding program. You can see this. This is the program page. XT means step. This is the first step setting. SP20. This is go to the second page. YP must be same because the angle is same. Because the angle is 90 degrees. So YP must be same. XP should be distance. It means it can bend in a different distance. Okay. Now let's see the automatic move. You see the band gauge move from. Again. This is 3 steps. 3 steps. Now we come to see the second step, third step. We have the using manual to show how it works. The error is 0.1 millimeter. It's very little error. The machine is very little noise and very peaceful. So it's a very nice machine. This is the Prima Sheet QC12K, 6mm and 3.2 meters swing beam shearing machine, together with the press brake. The controller is E21S. This is the front spot. Foot switch. The plane is for each plane, up and down. You can see the machine is very powerful cutting. This is the main switch, main power, connecting the main power. This is for the foot switch. All the electrics are cylinders. This is the bank wheel of the machine. The motor is also famous. With ball screw and the timing belt. This one is for the adjusting the knife clearance for the different thickness sheet metal. You can see the chart for the adjustment. Here is for the lubrication. You should we tell the time and the lubrication point and the oil number to tell. It's very easy and very convenient. This is the E21S controller, also from the Aston company. This is very similar. S is for the shearing. It's very same as E21, so it's very easy and to understand. Now we please confirm firstly you connect the main power. Then we open the key. The light will show. Then start the oil pump. Pump, start. Single time to see the emergency stop or not. This is for the night working with the lamp inside. Single time, XP. Only XP because it's XP is also for the baggage. Single time. XP can be the baggage. This is very easy. Then cut, then it's okay. This is the single time and the continuous time. You can choose during the working.